What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J Spikes, man. I'm back, baby, with another lit video. Hey, man, welcome to the channel if you're new to the channel, and welcome back to the channel, all my OGs. Y'all know what go down over here. It's always some content going on with these cars, old school, new schools. We keep these wheels turning. Y'all done heard me say this over and over. You feel me? Y'all done heard me say this over and over. Y'all know what go down. So OGs, y'all let the new people know what go down over here in the front yard game. You feel me? But yeah, man, if you ain't already, like I said, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell so you never miss a drop I got coming. You know what I'm saying? Like the video if you like the content or any of the bills you done seen come to my front yard channel. You feel me? And if you got any questions, comments, or opinion, you know, you can leave that in the comment box below. I try to talk back, baby. You feel me? Click that notification bell, man. You don't never want to miss what I got going on. Oh, yeah, man, y'all stay tuned today. I got a couple of updates, and I got a little bit of tool slanging action going on today. Once again, slanging these tools because I got called out about not slanging no tools and not posting videos of slanging tools. So I'm dropping more videos of me slanging tools. Hey, watch this eat. All right, y'all. This is what we got today in the front yard game. I don't know who burned out in my yard. But we're gonna have to get that understood. Ain't no burning out when you come on over here, boy. But anyway, shout out to Brunt, man. Shout out to Brunt Boots, man. As y'all know, Brunt sponsored us last year. You know what I'm saying? I advise all my good hard-working men to go get you some of these Brunts. You know what I'm saying? Go to brunts.com, Brunts on Facebook, B-R-U-N-T. You feel me? B-R-U-N-T. They good and insulated, man. They comfortable. You know what I'm saying? Got thick soles on it. And they warm, man. If y'all want to go check them boys out, I love their products. I got to get some more stuff from them this year, man. Got to get some pants and stuff like that from them. They got waterproof pants, everything. But yeah, anyway, we got this 1995 Ford F250 XL. This my partner tow rig. He tow cars with it. He tow everything with it. He'll tow you with it. Your house, it don't matter. But yeah, boy got that car haul on the back. You know what I'm saying? He finna get ready to upgrade to a photo bigger truck in the next couple months. So you know what I'm saying? It's going down. But we gotta keep this old thing right here. Old, I think he called her White Betty. And yeah, we gotta keep that thing running good. I keep my people running good. You feel me? But this is what we got going on today. Yes, sir. We gotta put a water pump gasket on this thing. It got the 5.8 in it. Ford 5.8. It run pretty good. I do all his mechanic work, spark plugs, wires, distributor cap, fuel pump, tie rods, inner tie rods, outer tie rods, upper ball joints, lower ball joints, control on, you name it, man. I do all his work. I know he the one on the blue boxchevy and the pink Jeep that I sprayed, outrageous. But yeah, as you can see, well, you might not can't see. Yeah, down up in there, we got a little bit of moisture down in there. You can see it. Got a little bit of moisture with that water pump. And back off in there and see if the camera focus. You can kind of see it right there in the middle of the screen behind that water pump. We got a little bit of moisture back there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break this thing down today, put a new water pump gasket on it, fill it up full of fluid, fill it back up full of antifreeze, and I gotta put 2 trailer lights. I got 2 trailer lights. Oh, I almost dropped y'all. I gotta put 2 trailer lights on the trailer. Cause my boy said they been knocking his trailer lights out. All the work he been doing. So I gotta put 2 trailer lights in. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, that's gonna be that for today. So that's what I'm doing early this morning. It's about 10 o'clock. You know, I get started after they start warming up a little bit, the sun come out. And yeah, I'm finna go crank Big X up. And we finna get at it. Y'all watch this eat. All right, y'all, I got y'all set up on the tripod while I go fire this thing up.
Alright, y'all, we got the X out here. Subscribe to the channel, man. You know what go down. Ain't no games being played. Y'all see a quick little shot of how them headlights come on. She dirty, boy. That thing filthy. Boy, that thing filthy down here in Texas, boy. The weather been horrible. Sitting up big, boy. She gonna look good on them things. I ain't lying to you. But yeah, I'll bring y'all back, man. I'm gonna get started on this thing here, get to breaking it down. All right, y'all, it's been about an hour, and I done came to a little stop because I got the water pump all broke down all the way. Let me see if I can get here and give you a good look at it. All right, I got the water pump broke down. You got one bolt here, and you got one bolt there in that AC bracket. Then you got one here and one there. This bolt here is so hard to turn coming out. It's almost, I can feel it stretching like it want to break. Every other bolt came loose good, but this bolt here act like it want to stretch. So I said I'm gonna just wait till he get here. I know he coming today. He'll be here in a little couple hours or so. Check on his truck, see if it's done. I'm just wait till he get here and show him what I got going on and see what we want to do. Whether he want me to go ahead and give it a try, it might break and we might be in dead zone because it'll take a little while to get it out, maybe. You know how it is when boats break into that block. Or take it to a local guy here we know they got a lot more power to get this type of stuff out than I do. You know what I'm saying? As in like TIG welding machines, if you have to put a little bolt on it or whatever. That's what we had with the truck. But while I'm waiting on him, I said, well, I'm gonna go ahead and get another task done. Remember I said we gotta get the lights. So I already done started. I came over here. I got one installed already. I got one of the new lights already installed. I got the old light out. Sitting right here, it was real bad. That something was horrible. I cut the old wire harness off. Let me get on here and see if I can show y'all how I did it. See what I'm saying? Cut the old harness off, wire that new harness on, and now you got the three in the middle. You got them three in the middle. Them some guns broke too, so I gotta go down and wire them up and the passenger side. So right now, let's go give it a test and see where we at on lights. See if I at least got the driver's side right. Alright, see if the tail light's on. Tail light on. Alright, you got that light on. That's one. You got that light on. That's two. Let's see. That one there broke. Okay, that's four. Ooh. Is that one on? Haha. There's five, baby. Got that one on. So I just gotta keep moving around and see if I can get some lights over here. See that one not on. This yellow one not on. And this one is on. Okay, boom. So we got, I need to get this one, and I think we got one right there, and right there. So yeah, got one more. I'm gonna get under here and I'm gonna get the wiring up. I'll give y'all a look when I get this thing done, so prep for me. All right, gang, I got the trailer all wired up. Tail lights on the truck. We got one. We got two. That one's broke, so we need a new one there. Got that rear one on. Got that one on. Got these two on. Got those two on, and he missing one there, so we need to get a new one there. Got that new tail light in. This one was missing, so I got that one in. Got that one working on this side. That one working on this side. And of course, boom.
Boom.
So my boy lit up. Yes sir, ready to go. I'll give y'all a look at my little work. My light went dead, so you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I can't shine the light, but I can show y'all a little bit what I did up on here. So there's that one I fixed. Had to cut it, splice it, pull a tape on it. There's that middle one, and there's that third one over there that's unplugged. Need to be a new one. Alright y'all, I got the jack moved back. The camera had stopped. I don't know why when I was showing you that last one I had wired up, but you know how it go. But yeah, anyways, I'm finna get all my stuff picked up, move my jack back around way where it's supposed to go, get my mat up, pick all my trash up, and like I said, I'm gonna wait for him. I'm gonna wait for him to get here because, like I said, that water pump boat is giving me trouble. And I'm really scared of it, man. I don't want to break that thing and then I'll be stuck with the truck for a week trying to get one bolt out, drilled and tapped out. So I'm gonna just wait for him to get here and see what he think we should do and go forward with that. You know, I don't want to make no bad mistakes that's gonna cost me time, money, or anything like that. So yeah, I'm gonna get his best opinion and then we'll go from there. They say 2 heads always better than 1, but as you can see, right there is the boat that's giving me trouble. So if that boat would have came out, I would have been able to pull this water pump off, change them gaskets, slap it back, clean it up, slap it back on, put it back together. The truck was being really ready to go. But instead, I'm gonna just try to take my time and get his opinion and see what he want me to do, and we're gonna go from there. So yeah, I'll bring y'all back when he come through and we see what we're gonna do. Watch this heat, slanging these tools. Ha, you know what to do. Click, clack, we back, baby. Alright, y'all, got the fluid back together, man. Got the water pump back in. Got that thing running back right. I still got to go order some water pump bolts for it, because we still got one bolt missing. We ordered some from O'Reilly, and we had my boy old lady to pick them up, but they still was the wrong one, so I'm gonna have to order the right one we need specifically for this motor and that water pump. And yeah, I'm gonna come back when I tighten it up, because still got a little smaller leak. End up putting some brand new battery terminals on this thing. The old ones were looking bad, so we put some brand new ones on that thing. What's up, man? Okay. But yeah, got them brand new terminals on that thing. All the lights working now. Yes, sir. He lit up the trailer all the way around now. You can see it, sun shining a little bit, you know. Yeah, y'all seen it before. Oh yeah. Yeah. Had to clean that thing up. Got 2 of them missing, but for the most part, boy, yeah, you know, we getting there. Yes, Lord. You see it? Gotta keep it right. Got her blocked up. She running good. Let's check this antifreeze real quick. She's doing good. Yeah, she ready to go. My boy happy, about to load that old bike up on that trailer. You know what I'm talking about? Side by side, boy, hauled everything on that motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Big F250 guy, you know, XL 95, run like a brand new truck. Slanging them tools, y'all know the rules. We get down over here in the front yard gang. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, man. Leave a like on the video if you like the content. And if you got any questions, comments, or opinion, leave them in the comment box below, because I'm trying to keep these wheels turning. I'm gonna keep these tools slanging. Since they say I wasn't slanging no tools, y'all watch these videos and keep watching this heat.